Come back here and pull it.
Watch me, Daddy.
Okay, I'm gonna watch you. Pull it slow.
Morgan, I almost got it. You did. I already got out here and see it. Bet me $1.
Oh,
I don't
boy.
know if you're supposed to do that. Are you supposed to pull it down? It might break.
You cheated. You got too close. Look at me, guys.
We're watching.
Look at me.
Can you get it, Simon?
You don't
You
want
want Daddy to show you?
No hands, no hands. Get a bite, get a bite, get it.
See, look, you gotta do it like this.
Simon, do you think you could do that?
I can't do it.
Can you do it, Simon?
I can't get it.
You
No
can't
hands.
use your
Put
hands,
behind
though.
your back.
For me down? This isn't
Here,
fair.
here, I'll hold it. I'll hold it right here. You try it. It's hard to do, isn't it?
Oh, hey. That's a good one.
Oh,
Thank you.
Daddy got it. Almost.
Do you get cheer too?
Ah, so
Do you
close.
want to try it, Simon?
Yeah.
You can't
No
touch
hands.
it, though.
No hands.
Oh, you're using your hands.
It's hard to do, isn't it? No, 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 no hands.
That was in like 2 seconds.
You're getting close. I think he's getting a little tired.
I think so too.
Maybe get some tacos, pumpkins, and get out of here.
Over here, buddy.
You're getting closer.
Oh my goodness. Oh no, he's not.
Are you going to be able to come over this way?
Like this.